Saan ang pinipindot?
Oh, yan. Basta ganyan.
Wala na, ganyan na lang, ha?
Wait,
Oh,
we have
yeah.
a project.
Okay. We have a lengthwise paper. Show them, guys. Crosswise.
Crosswise?
Yes, this is crosswise, people. You fold like something that you have the bigger fold and smaller fold. So you have this one, like this. And to pay, and you will fold.
In half?
Yeah, another one you fold. Facing the tupe together. And the one with the bigger fold, you will fold like this. See?
Like this, okay?
Yeah. And do the other side as well. Yeah, do the other side as well.
Then?
Yeah. And then you have reached this.
This form?
Like airplane. Yeah, and then you see this one. This one is you can up this one up.
Well, how can I up that? Wait! There.
Yeah?
There.
My student is very slow.
And
Yeah.
then?
Mine is like an airplane. Wait. No, you hold it together. Can you mind me? Yeah, like that. And then this one. One. Oh, you fold like that. Okay. This one you will fold like that. This one you will fold like that. Yeah. So you're getting this kind of figure. Yeah.
Both sides?
Yeah, both sides. Whatever you do to the other side, do it to the other side as well, so as to avoid jealousy.
And
So,
then?
you have reached that one. See if we have the same one. Yeah. So this one, you will fold like an airplane, like this. As I said earlier, what you do on the side, other side, do it on the other side.
So there's no
Avoid
jealousy.
Yeah, so that's the one.
And then?
So, have you seen the edge one? This
Yes.
one? Yes. This edge one you will fold like triangular fold. Like this one, you will fold like this. And do it on the other side as well. So, to avoid jealousy.
Avoid jealousy.
Very good, you're learning fast.
And then?
Hey, come on, what happened to you? What's happening? You're not following. You're not following. Oh, you're old.
No, you're not going to.
You're so, it's like the only thing
No.
you will submit this one. That's follow instructions. Okay, I'll do myself.
Okay, and then?
You have to pay. You to pay. No. Let's do. You have to say.
You have to say.
Okay. And then this point, you will to pay again.
Again?
Here.
Another fold?
Yeah. This paper is too hard. Hard. Oh, by the way, we're doing a. What do you call
Sailboat?
this? No.
No.
Speedboat.
Speedboat.
Yeah. And then, so we have the same.
Huh? We have the same?
So when you look at inside, there is the single line. Single line, yeah.
Where's the single line?
There.
There. The
So
single line.
you will just, you see the
Pull
underneath.
together?
You pull them together. Yeah, you pull out.
Oh, there.
You pull out. But no, that might broken. That might break. That might break. And then you slowly turn around.
My goodness, I'm not doing.
I think I've done it wrong. You teacher, you're not teaching me well. I think you're doing right.
Why is mine too
Here
not?
is done.
Where is that?
It's so small.
Where is it?
You know what? You students, because I think I double folded it. Yeah, man. Yeah. Like this, tapos.
My goodness.
I think you just did it correctly.
How come I don't
Hi,
know?
Kuya Mon, how are you there?
Buna.
I think it's fine. Oh, this is the back portion. Yeah, that's the back portion. The bottom.
Bottom part.
Yeah, so
You didn't have.
one. What do you want to say? So you will. Oh, this is the speedboat na. Oh, mine's broken. Look at the speedboat. Yeah. We can go there inside. Oo nga. You,
Oh, mine is not true.
Ah, that's an airplane. See, we have made speedboat. Speedboat is like gosh. Gosh. He doesn't know how to make it. Yeah, see? Yours
Oh.
is like a frog. Mine. I think mine. Look. Yeah,
Yeah.
speedboat. Can you focus that? Our speedboat. Yay, okay.
Yay.
Oh, yay.